Welcome to part 3 on our series of how to swing a kettlebell. I'm Sean Mosen, and for over 20 years I have been traveling the world teaching instructors how to use kettlebells safely and effectively. In this breakdown, we're working on high tension swings. So this is different from the classic way of lifting kettlebells, but it's also very effective and very good for what we use it for. Now, the key things we have been working on in the 2 previous parts, which if you haven't checked them out, what's wrong with you? Go check them out, all right? Top down, bottom up checklist, making sure we're protecting the back before we lift the bell. In the last one, we started lifting the bell and we started paying attention to our 3-point stack, making sure that we're in correct alignment. Now, once we pick the bell up off the floor, we want to start playing around with this pendulum motion. We want to get the bell moving before we initiate the legs and start with a big swing. So what we're going to do is our checklist. We're going to go eyes forward, shoulders back and down. That gives us the proud chest. Crease at the hip. We're coming down. We're adhering to the 3-point stack. You grab onto your kettlebell. You're going to come up. We're going to go through those deadlift basics. Then what I want you to do is bend the knees. Start moving the kettlebell front and back. Almost like you're doing a swing, but you're not going to engage the legs. We're just going to work here at getting that motion. Then park it nice, softly, carefully. When you put it down, don't slam it. Always show control when you're using the kettlebell. Making that pendulum motion and keeping the legs from coming straight is going to help you to understand the weight transfer. It's going to help you to understand the shift. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to build up and understand what the final position is going to be like, what the feeling of tension is that we're going to be going for. So make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss the next part. And if you're not already following, then you subscribe, you follow, and you click that little bell. So the next time we send up a video, you're going to get a notification right away.